Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to mute YouTube videos on your phone. So let's get started. So if you want to mute YouTube videos on your phone, what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube in your browser. So if you open up your YouTube application in your phone, you can find there is no YouTube muting button in your video. So if you want to mute a video, what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube in a browser. So just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like. I'll use my Chrome browser, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for youtube.com. So after searching for YouTube, you will open up your YouTube application or your YouTube account in a browser. So now in order to find a mute button, what you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then change your desktop site. So just tap on desktop site, and it will change your phone site to your desktop site. So now what you can do is just go ahead and play a video, and then you can find a mute button in that video. So for example, I'll play this video, and after playing that video here, you can see I can find a mute button. So this is how to mute YouTube video on your phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.